Okay, for your reference, first of all, you just need to check complete your toolbars. And if you don't have a toolbars like this, simply go to this option from the top, the switch workspace, and check the essential classes. Okay, so you get the exact toolbar for your complete reference. Other than that, first of all, we need to create a one square. Just select the shape and create a square like this one. And then I need a gradient. For the gradient, there's a one option like this one. We can select this as well. And the other one is that the center one. The first one is the plain color, center one is the gradient, and the third one if you don't need any color. So just click on the second one, double click, you need to double click, and then you need to select on this gradient. Okay, this one is your gradient. Now I need to change color of my gradient. First of all, this one is the light color, the middle one. I simply click on this, double click, and this is the one color picker as well. From here you can select the default colors as well. Just select on this color picker and select any color you want. Like from here I'm going to select this light color. Again, I'm going to double click on this one, color picker, and I'm going to select this pink color. Okay, and for here I need one more color, so for that I simply click on this circle and press alt, so I get a copy. Okay, so double click on this one, and this time I need something orange color. So this is my colors, but I need a little bit light color. So again, I'm going to select and try to change the colors to a light one, light effect, because I don't need any dark colors here. Yeah, you can also adjust your colors from this scroll bar. You can adjust your gradient from here as well. Okay, this one is my colors. Now I need to give them a texture. Like my background, I need to give them the texture. This is one image that I picked from my Google. Just simply select this one, arrange and bring to the front. Move like this one on your page and adjust on your artboard. Then select both of them. And I need a transparency. Here I don't have a transparency option. There's other thing that go to the windows and search for the transparency. Here you can see I have transparency, and this is also the shortcuts. Just simply click on this one, transparency. This one is the normal, but I need a overlay. And here you can see now I have a effect, background effect. Control 0. You can select, you can find the complete overview here. Okay, this is my complete background now. Now I need to place this pawn in front of my design. Just select this one, move, arrange, bring to the front, move it here and increases the size like this. Okay, this one is my complete shape. There's the one thing that we can do. Go to the effects, stylize and the drop down shadow just to double check it will gives us a good effect or not. Here you can see it gives me a drop down shadow. Just simply click on this. And other thing is that I need to give them a effect. So simply select this one, right click, transform and reflect. Okay, in the reflect I need a some effects and some shadows for my downside. So I'm just creating a copy, paste it like this, control minus, and here you can see I have a copy. But from the drop down, I need a one transparent effect, not the exact copy. For that, again, I'm going to create a one square. And for this square, I need a black gradient. Again, go to the gradient, delete this one. I don't delete this one. Just double click on this one. First one is the white, other one is the black. Okay, but at this time before that I have a radial gradient. Now I need a linear one. Click on the linear, then go to your gradients, this effect, and here you can see we have a one toolbar here. Just remove it like this. You just need to move according to your adjustment, and you need to adjust this shape on your complete element. Now you just simply need to select this one, both of the elements and my shape. Again, go to the transparency and make a mask. This is the option, make a mask. And here you can see our mask is done. Just click on the masking and then go to the gradient. Here you can see we have a bar here. We just have a slider. We just need to slide it like this and just more slide and move it like this. And again, you need to move above side like this. Okay, now we have a drop down effect. We just double check control 0. And here you can see now I have a drop down effect for my this gradient. Other than that, the thing I need to do is that to write a text. Okay, for the text, control T. Okay, this one is my I'm just going to type. Okay, there's a one thing here you can see I'm going to type, but I'm not able to see anything because currently it selected the mask. Again, click on your element. Now you can type anything you want. Like I'm going to type the fruit here and change the color of the fruit to any dark colors. Like if I need a green one and if I need any red color. So you can select any color like you want, and there's some pink effects as well. Like if I'm going to select this color and I'm going to increase the color. Like we just need a prominent color. We can also use the black color. We can also use the white. Okay, just like this color. And from here you can see we don't have a options of the suppose I have the option for the complete font style and the font size. But if you don't have the option, you simply press the Control T to get the option like how you can change the font size and the font style. Now we need to get some font style to adjust our complete design. And suppose if I simply leave it like this and then type the ice cream, move it like this, just decreases the size. Select the size part from here and adjust the size like this. Change the color to a yellow, orange, dark. If I pick the dark one, I just need a prominent color, the color that will be more prominent in this design. Now this one is not prominent. Again, if I select this color, no, that one is also not that much prominent. First of all, let me change the design like this. Okay, this is my okay, and also I'm going to change the effect of my text by simply going to the drop down shadow and change the effect like this. And for this one, I'm also going to change the design brush one. So for this, again, I'm going to use the brush and going to change the color to a black one and increase the size. And suppose if I giving them the plain text, so let's see which results we get from here. We just need to adjust the designs according to our complete. Okay, we can add a color. We just need to select the prominent color. Okay, so we can select the colors like this. And we also give them the outline from here. Like for now, I'm going to give them white outline. If I'm giving them the outline like this now, because this size is very small. So in this font, Control 0, just select and Control C. I'm simply giving them the black color to this one. Okay. And at the top, if you need to add any logo, so you can add a logo as well. This is, and again, make it centralized, Control T. And here you can see there's a gap between these two. So we're just going to decrease the gap like this. Okay, and increases the size, change the color to a white one, and increases the size to like this, and you can increase the gap like this one. Again, change the color and also the font style. Just adjust it here, and at the drop down, you can simply write if you need to write something like order now or anything, you can write at the bottom as well. This one is my linear effect, and I'm going to select some colors from here. Other color is this one. I'm going to select other color is this one. Make it linear and change the fonts like this one. You just need to change the size like this. Okay. You can also create a linear like this one above to a bottom like this. You can create some effects like this. And again, I'm going to make the round border. Simply select these elements and make it rounded and place it here. Again, I'm going to select this font, Control C and Control V, and type the order now. Move it here, and here you can see now if I'm going to give them the effect, drop down effect, you can see I have a drop down effect, and this one is easily prominent for me. Again, I'm just going to check the font style for me. Yeah, you can do something like this and then go to the effect, drop down effect, and give the effect to this color. Okay, this one is a complete design. You can also add the effect because we need a prominent design. Add the effect, increases like this. Okay, from here you can add a logo, and this one is all the effect. Again, go to the file, export as, and then it's must use to select the use artboard and select the JPG. If you want, you can select the PNG as well. You can select any color mode and resolution high. Okay. So this one is the complete design.